Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to get Obsidian mode on Discord. So it is easy and simple. So please watch the full video and also subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. First of all, open Discord application. Then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. And here scroll down a little bit. And here you will see appearance options in the app settings section. So tap on appearance, and here you will see two options, light mode and dark mode. So first of all select dark mode, and then you should have to tap on approximately 9 times on the dark. Now you can see emulate optimize mode, so you can enable it by tapping here. So that is the method. Hope you will like this video. Thanks, goodbye.